Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to search for accounts on X Twitter, easy and quick. First click on this search icon and click here, and here you can type any account you want to search on, and after this click on it, for example this, like this, and that's how to search on accounts. That's how to search for accounts, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.